number 13, we're trying to find the point-slope form and then turn that into the slope-intercept form. And to use the point-slope form, we need a point and a slope. So we have 2 points, but we don't have a slope. So can we find the slope without them giving it to us? And we can, because if you have 2 points, you can use the slope formula. So y2 minus y1 and x2 minus x1. I'm going to label my points as x1, y1, x2, y2. So if I use the slope formula, m is going to be equal to negative 1 minus 0 and 0 minus 2. So that's equal to negative 1 over negative 2, or just 1/2. So now that I have my slope of 1/2, I can take my slope, and I'll take x1 and y1 just to be consistent with the point slope formula, but you could actually do it with x2 and y2. You'd get the same answer. But just to be consistent with the x1 and the y1 here, I'm going to use the x1 and the y1. So y minus 0 is equal to 1/2 and then x minus 2. So the 0 is just going to go away. The 1/2, if you distribute it, will be 1/2 x, and then 1/2 times 2 is just 1. So 1/2 times negative 2 will be negative 1. And that'll be our answer.